Hey yo, what is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy Chad, trying to keep you guys up with the content, and I'd rather just get the sun this way because the other way I look weird. But yeah, this will be a quick video. I'm just really gonna show you guys what my spoiler looks like on my car. I did order the Aeroflow Dynamics V2 wing. This is what it looks like on the car, and I'll get another angle too so that you guys can see what it looks like. And my car needs to be washed bad, but that's beautiful, ain't it? I get my window visors, they come in pretty soon. I think they get here tomorrow. I'm gonna put those on. But yeah, this is the V2 wing. The only thing I would say about this wing is I had somebody install it, but as you can see, there's a slight gap, which I definitely do hate. I'm gonna figure out a way to get it, you know, like if I press down, it's way better. But probably if Aeroflow installed it, it'd probably be no gap at all. But I'm not really tripping over here, this side. Yeah, but like if I press it down, so I think I'm gonna try to find, if anybody knows how to fix this issue. Probably the install was a little messed up, but honestly, the wing's on there now. I'm not really tripping. Like I said, I could always probably take off the wing and, you know, figure out something. I might do a gasket or so underneath to, you know, just fill in that actual space. But if you look at the other side too, yeah, that's what it looks like. But it's not really much of a gap. I mean, it's just the end, which is crazy. I don't know what the end's about. But like I said, this is from Aeroflow Dynamics. This is the V2 wing. Yes, the V2. And the only other thing I would say about this wing is when I start driving, if I go at least 55 to 60 miles an hour, it does this little whistling noise. I don't know what the whistling noise is. It's not too annoying, but like it is a little bit annoying. It's something I could definitely deal with, but it's something I don't want to deal with, if that makes sense. And I looked it up online, and a lot of people were saying, like, you know, it makes a little whistling noise when you get up to higher speeds. And I don't know if it's because you're cutting the wind that the spoiler's making noise, making it have the little whistling noise, or if it just makes a little whistling noise driving at high speeds, because it is a spoiler. Like I said, it's cutting the wind, or if maybe the install was a little wrong, because I definitely did have somebody else install it. I didn't install it myself. But what I'm gonna do probably is just, like I said, it's not too bad. Like if I'm listening to music, it's really not that bad at all. I'm kind of making it seem a lot worse than it is, but my OCD is like the whistling. But like I said, it's only when I get up to real high speeds, and even with the real high speeds, if I have music like on a low volume or so, I don't really hear it. Or if I'm watching like a YouTube video or listening to a YouTube video in the car. But I probably am going to keep the spoiler on there for probably like a good little minute. And if anything, I may go to a body shop, have them fix the holes in my trunk, and then take my, you know, because it's a lifetime guarantee on the Aeroflow Dynamic spoiler. But then I would get them to send me another spoiler or buy another spoiler and then have that installed. But to go to a body shop to get the trunk filled in and do all that extra stuff right now is just a waste of money. So, you know, the spoiler's not wiggling around, it's not going anywhere, you know, all kind of the way it should be. Like, hold up, I'm trying to zoom out. Like, I'm shaking it, nothing's even shaking. This spoiler's not going anywhere. But yeah, eventually change it out or get one that's like the metal rails going up on the side and then it's like straight up. But I don't think that'll actually look right for the car. But yeah, that is the spoiler. Like I said, this is what it looks like on. It's gotten a lot more sporty, you feel me? It's definitely come together. I kind of forgot what it looks like without the spoiler, honestly. But I do like it. Like I said, the whistling noise is probably the only downfall I would say to this spoiler, but for the most part, I like it. And let me know what your comments are down below. As always, it's been your boy Chad. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Peace.